This is the 1918 Singer 127 with the Sphinx decals. It has been completely gone through. It's been oiled and cleaned. The motor was replaced because, zoom in here, that's the original motor, and I don't know why it cracked, but that's why it was struggling and making odd noises. New wiring all the way around. Here's a view of the back side with the new motor, and the wiring of course has all been replaced, and I replaced the light. The existing light was one of those spotlight style. It was incomplete. I could have rewired it. It would have taken some effort, but I could have rewired it. But considering that they're suboptimal anyway, and that this style is much better and cheap to acquire, I went ahead and purchased a new light for the machine. Now if I open it up, since it's just sitting on top of here with no base to hold it down, if I really open it up, it starts vibrating kind of badly. But these Singers, as nice as they are not quite as smooth running as the National vibrating shuttle machines were. Goddess bless. Right there, come on, focus. That blue dot is a gun cleaning patch, 22 caliber. It was put in the oil well that lubricates the shuttle, since that was empty and in need of one, and it works perfectly. It's cotton flannel. And we also have, this is not something you would normally do, but I have the bobbin winder running, has a new tire on it, just to get the oil distributed in it, everything turning freely. New spool pin felt. I had to replace a couple of screws in the faceplate, and I had to order a pair of screws that clamp it to the hinge pins in the base, because those were missing. You know, it was flopping around in its base. Just letting it run for a little bit. Sounds a lot better than it did last time.